How to turn on or turn off camera scene optimizer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings. Now in camera settings, scroll down and you will see click on intelligent optimization. After click on intelligent optimization, click on maximum and you will see scene optimizer is here. If you want to turn on scene optimizer, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see scene optimizer is turn on. If you want to turn off scene optimizer, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see scene optimizer is turn off. You will turn on or turn off scene optimizer from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off camera scene optimizer on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.